Today, we are going to explore the CS card seller vacations. Whenever you have set your start vacation date and end vacation date and customize a message in the seller vacation page, then click on Create button. This displays your status of the product on the front end. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Let's start this video with the module configuration in settings. In the general settings, you will find a checkbox to allow all sailors to apply for vacation. There is also an option to allow sailors to delete their vacations. You can enable auto approval of sailor vacations. Here, you need to enter the number of days in advance a sailor has to apply for vacation. In this section, you can also fill in your email address. In the reminder mail settings section, check the box to allow sailors to remind the admin about the vacation request. Enter how many times a sailor can remind the admin regarding the vacation request, along with the number of days gap between each reminder. Then go to the theme settings. In this section, the admin can manage the theme of the pop-up that will appear on the storefront. Then go to the email template section. Here, the admin can manage emails and then click on the Save button. After this, go to the vendor section and click on Seller Vacations. You can create new vacations by clicking on the plus icon. Choose the start date and the end date. Check the option to allow customers to add items to the wish list. Check the box to display the vacation date on the storefront. Write a message for the store, then click on the Create button. The same configuration can be performed from the vendor panel. Let's move to the vendor panel. In the order section of the vendor panel, you will find seller vacations. Here, you can see the vacation that was created from the admin panel. The seller can also edit this vacation by clicking on the gear icon and then selecting the Edit button. Choose the date, then click on Save. To check the view of this add-on, let's move to the storefront. On the storefront, go to the Product section and click on any product. Here, you will see a pop-up stating that the store will be closed due to a national holiday, along with the start and end dates. This is the functionality of this add-on. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.